In this video, we are delving deep into a volatility 75 scalping strategy. This strategy can be used to grow a small account. So if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like and share, and comment where you're watching us from and what you think about this strategy. So let's quickly look at the settings. So we're going to be making use of 4 moving averages. So the first moving average will be we have a period of 200 shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, then the style is 4 pixel with the color black. Then we go on to the next moving average. It will have a period of 21 shift 0, method exponential, apply to high. Then it will have a star, the star will have 4 pixel and the color is red. Then the third moving average will have a period of 21 shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Then it will have the color, it will have the star is 4 pixel with the color white. Then the last moving average will have a period of 21 shift 0, method exponential, apply to low. Then the star will have 4 pixel with the color lime green. Then these are the settings that you have. So if you come to your chart, you'll be having these 4 moving averages. So let's quickly look at how we can buy and how we can sell using this strategy. So if you're going to be selling, let's start with the selling conditions. Your candles have to be below the black line. The black line is indicating our long-term trend. So if you are below the black line, it indicates that we're in a downtrend. So in a downtrend, you want to sell. How are we going to sell? We wait for a candle. We are going to be waiting for a candle to close below the lime green line. When that happens here, on the next candle open, we execute our sell order here. Where are we going to place our stop loss? Our stop loss is going to be placed above the red line, above the red line. So in this case, our stop loss will be here, and we enter on this particular candle, and we are going to be holding that trade. We hold that trade from here. From here, we are holding the trade. As long as price stays below the red line, we hold that trade. Our take profit is going to be when a candle closes above the red line, like here. This is where we're going to be closing our trade. So you can see it's a very profitable strategy. We entered around this area, and we're going to be holding the trade until we reach this take profit. So basically, that's how we sell using this strategy. So the time frame that I've seen that that really works when you're using this strategy is the 15-minute time frame. So let's look for another trading opportunity. So here we can see we have a candle that closes below the lime green moving average, and we execute our sell. Our stop loss just above the red line. So above here, we place our stop loss. Then we hold the trade as long as a candle doesn't close above the red line. So we are holding this trade from here. We hold this trade. We hold until price closes. So you can see it's a scalping strategy, but you can actually trade it for a very long time, and then you close when a candle closes above the red line. So that's basically how we sell using this strategy. So let's quickly look at the buying condition. But before we look at the buying condition, let me quickly introduce some of the services that we have. So we have our copy trading, where if the minimum equity is 150, then our 2-week profit target is 300. Then you will pay a subscription fee of $50. Then we also have our DC spikes detector for 20, booming crash spike detector for 2024. So you can now rent this spike detector for $25. But if you're interested in purchasing it, you can purchase it. So the $25 is for 1 month, and if you want to buy it, it's $100. Then we also have our mentorship program. So the mentorship program, we will be teaching, we have lessons on, we have pre-recorded videos on price action, smart money concept, indicator-based strategies, and trading psychology. We also have trading psychology and risk management. So those are the 5 areas that we'll be focusing on. So we have pre-recorded videos. If you're interested in getting these pre-recorded videos, you can now get them for $50. But if you want a 1v1 where I'll be teaching you on a daily basis, This one runs for 1 month, where we'll be having constant lessons, maybe at least 4 lessons a week or 3 lessons a week. That one is $200, so you can enroll for our mentorship program. Then we also have our VIP services, where I'll be giving you daily signals on boom and crash, volatility indices, step, jump, drift, shift indices, or synthetic indices. Will be giving signals, at least 8 to 10 signals. So the weekly package is at $10, then for 2 weeks it's $18, then for 1 month it's $30. Then we also have for this strategy, I've created an EA. The EA is going for $100. If you're interested, you can get in touch and get this amazing EA. And the indicator is going for $25. So there's also an indicator. And on this video, if you comment, like, and subscribe, we'll be selecting at least 5 subscribers from who are going to comment, who are going to receive the indicator that is based on this strategy. So if you are interested in purchasing, it's $25 this indicator. And we have many booming crash, volatility indices, indicators, and EAs that you can make use of and trade without any difficulties. So let's look for another. We want now to look for buying opportunities. So those are the services that we have and that we offer. So let's look for buying opportunities. So the first condition is that we want to see the candles above the black line. So that's the first condition. The black line is indicating our long-term trend. So we wait now for a candle to close above the red line. When that happens, we then execute. For example, at this particular level, we have a candle closing above the red line. When that happens, we open our position and our stop loss is below the lime green line. As simple as this. Then we hold the trade until a candle closes below the lime. So we entered here around this area. Then we close the trade around here. So we can see so we're going to buy from here until price reaches this area. So it's a very profitable strategy. So let's look for another opportunity where we're going to buy using this strategy. Okay, here we have an example. We have a candle closing above, it's above the black line, and it closes above the red line. We enter our buy. Then our stop loss is just below here, and then we hold the trade as long as it stays above the lime green line. So we're going to exit around this area here. So we exit here. So we're going to buy from that area and we exit here. So this is a very simple strategy, but it's very powerful, and you can be in a position to make a lot of profit from this strategy. And here we're going to buy, stop loss below, then we're going to exit when a candle closes below here. So you can see this is how this strategy works. So if you're watching us for the first time, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time when we release new content. Bye bye for now.